Video tutorial on how to copy crypto niche finance. Okay, so we have to wait a couple of seconds for this app to become fully loaded on our mobile device. Okay, so you have to be patient, and when it is fully loaded, look at the icon at the bottom right hand of this phone. Okay, there is an icon at the bottom right hand of the phone. So we have to wait a bit. That could be annoying sometimes, especially if you have a slow internet connection. Okay, so you have to click on this icon, this icon at the bottom right hand of the phone. So these are master traders. Okay, so you have to scroll down and scroll to crypto niche finance. Yeah, this is crypto niche finance. The minimum requirement to join is 500 and the maximum is 10,000, but for now the maximum should be 5,000 for everyone in the crypto niche community. So you click on this, so it shows you the analysis, like, okay, my goal is to ensure that we are all profitable in day. Okay, that is the description. So look at this. In the last few hours that this strategy was activated, a profit of $12 has been made off the market. Okay, so there is no loss so far, it is just profit. So now just click on, there is an icon like that allows you to join, because this is an account that this is a master account, so I will not be able to join anything. Do you understand it? So all you need to do, basically, there's going to be something like join or copy on your screen from your own side. So click on that, then you'll be able to copy this. So once you click on it, type in the amount of money that you want to use to copy it. Let's assume that you have a $5,000 account on Binance, and you want to dedicate only only $3,000 to the bot. Okay, so then you should be able to type it. Just type in $3,000, and that is only the amount of money that will be used to copy all the trades. Do you understand it? So that is pretty much how it works. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box, or you should join the crypto niche channel or the crypto niche group on Telegram. Okay, join us on Telegram and ask every question that you may have. All right, so there is a link in the description box that you can use to join, to join the group. Okay, or probably there's a link in the description box that you can use to sign up for the bot. Okay, so that's an affiliate link. By using that link, a small commission will be paid, to the referral. Okay, so that is pretty much how it works. Then I wish you a successful trading career as you try and copy these accounts. So have a great day and bye for now.